guys, it is Dimitris from Vehicle Aftermarket Installations on site. Today we have this MAZDA CX-3 2015 model. So these models, they do have touch screen, but they don't have Apple CarPlay. So we're gonna modernize this one, and we will include an Apple CarPlay module down here, so it will come up with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So first steps, actually, it is we have to upgrade the system to the latest firmware. In order to do that, we need about an hour. Therefore, we have to secure our battery power, that it is consistent. Therefore, we have to install to connect actually a trickle charger to the battery. So we connect the our charger to the battery, and we go inside. To start preparing the firmware update. So we go to the system, and we have to check in the About section the version information. So if you have this or below 70, your car is not ready for the Apple CarPlay. So we have to upgrade the firmware to 70 plus. So in order to do that, we have to follow some steps. Let's get started. Now in the process to update the firmware. So in this car we have no active DTC, so we don't have any faults, anything. That's a very good sign. So let's go further. So we start preparing to update. Everything goes well so far. So the updating started, and we're gonna need about 45 minutes to finish this procedure. So we update the software. Let's have a look if everything went well. So we're going to version information. And now, as you can see, everything is done properly. We upgraded the version to 74.324. We're gonna install this one in order to get our CarPlay engaged to the factory screen. So we have to pull this out, disconnect it, and install the new one. Also, we have to connect it to the screen up here. To remove the covers over here and take out the head unit. We pull out the head unit in order to connect at the back the new harness. So we connect the new plugs over here, and now we're gonna put everything through this hole and connect it with our new model. Okay. So we installed the new one, and now we're gonna test it. So we plug in the USB, and we're gonna connect the iPhone. So the good thing it is charging. That looks nice. It is. So you can see right here it is enable CarPlay. So you agree on that. And then the prompt on your phone, allow this and continue, and you'll have the CarPlay onto your original factory screen, so you can do maps, everything from here. If your screen it is touch screen, because some of the Mazda they're coming with non-touch screen, you can do everything on the touch screen.
Oh, cool.
Or on your phone.
Yeah, or with that.
Alternatively, you can use this knob to go around the menu.
Because that's how I used to have to use it.
That's good. Another installation made properly. Thanks for watching.